Hi, good day, Ma'am Annalyn. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good morning, ma'am. My name is Annalyn C. Tapit, 38 years old. I have two children, one girl and one boy. I am high school graduate.
Alright, thank you. And then, where do you live?
I live in Mahabang Parang, Angono, Rizal, Philippines.
Alright, aside from that, did you take care of any certificate from caregiving?
Yes, ma'am. I have certificate in caregiving NC2 and I am completed on the job training which is 150 hours at Kadlungan ni Maria in Antipolo, Rizal. And I have a certificate of completion from Mother Teresa Institute of Technology and Assessment Center.
Alright. And then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am the fourth of the family.
Okay. And then, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am married.
Okay. And then, how would you describe yourself?
I am loving mother and patient and honest and also a hardworking mother.
Okay. And then, may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family and also to my children's future and of course for their schooling, and I want to help my husband to help their needs.
Okay. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
I don't have none.
Okay. But you have work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience as a caregiver, 88 years old, female. I have work experience from October 2024 until now
Alright. As a caregiver?
as a caregiver.
Okay. And then, can you please state your duties and responsibilities as caregiver here in Philippines?
As a caregiver, I take good care of my client. I'm helping and assisting her to bathing, to feed, and to check her vital signs daily, and also cooking her food, and also sometimes if I have time to assist her needs, her clothes, and sometimes house chores. I do it everything.
Okay. So, aside from taking care female elderly, you also do the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the age of your employer?
Her age is 88 years old, female.
Okay. And then, are you willing to take care again, elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to take care of elderly.
Okay. And then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I keep myself busy and I focus on my dreams and also to continue my work as a caregiver, and I keep myself busy daily.
Okay. And then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino food like adobo, tinola, and sinigang. And I'm willing to learn your dishes.
Okay, so are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn new dishes abroad.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have none.
Okay. So, do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
I have a small tattoo.
Okay. So, do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Annalyn, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. My name is Annalyn Sataki, 38 years old. I'm willing to learn your culture and I want to work abroad to support my family. I promise to you that I am a hardworking caregiver and I promise to you that I am loyal, honest, and patient person. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you.